everyone. We are from Group 5, which leader member is Yose K Simanjuntak, and the other member is Monaria Simanjuntak, Tesalonika Situngkir, Hafiza, Fikri, Naipospos, and Uli Cristina Sigalingging. In this nice occasion, we will talk about fishing gear that called Seine. So for the outline, we will explain you about what is Seine. The second one is Seine function. The third one is the material of the Seine. And the next is Seine's operation. And the next is target species. And the last is Seine ships and operational area. For the first slide, I will explain you about Seine. Seine is a fishing gear whose main part is a net. Seine is used to catch large pelagic fish and small pelagic fish according to size and quantity. Seine is a tool to catch fish from nets operating by circling a school of fish until the tool is shaped like a ball at the end of the fishing progress. The Seine is so named because the confining the nature of the fishing gear. The cluster is then pulled by the prince rope so that the net forms a deep pocket beak, so the fish are trapped. That's all from the first slide, and the next slide, Hafiza will explain you about the next.
Okay, in general, the net consists of 1 bag, 2 crop line floating line, and 3 wing body net, 4 lead line sinker line, 5 ring is the last is bridle ring. The component of the Seine fishing gear consists of webbing nets, bias, weight, and are equipped with core line drawing which are post-stock ring attached to the bottom of the net. The net material get important attention. This because the can strike properly and can form pocket when pulled. Okay, thank you.
Okay, for the next slide, Tesalonika will explain you about target species.
Thank you for the time. Target species calling pelagic fish is all of from normal size, from small size is sardines, and to large size is tunas. And the next is the operation of this fishing gears. I mean, Seine is always use form of the ship. For the size of the ship is always relative. From between is small is size between is 10 to 30 GT, and medium size between is 30 to 50 GT, and large size is 50 to 100 GT.
Okay, thank you, Tesalonika. For the next slide, Monaria will deliver you about Seine operation.
Okay, I will explain you about Seine operation. That we know, Seine is a fishing gear whose the main part is a net. The net Seine ship have a small boat that to catch a fish that's cooling in the sea. And then first of all, the end of the net is thrown into the sea, and that we know that which have a school of fish. Then the variant has a rope pulled by a small boat around the school of fish, and the bottom of the net we pull with the small boat. It's called a Seine. Then small boat bring nets to Seine to transport the fish to the ship that we know Seine ship. Okay, thank you. Next.
Thank you, Monaria. For the last slide, will explained by Yose.
operational area. Percent can be used on sea level area where the number of fish is abundant and sea conditions are calm. The depth of water can be operated by percent at 50 meters from sea level depending on the size of the fishing gear. Thank you.
Thank you, Yose. That's all about our presentation. Wish you enjoy our presentation. Thank you and goodbye.
Thank you. Have a nice day.